Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So, I'm happy to see you all again in another video and the same day. So, I will explain you about the Maruti Suzuki. Okay, what happened yesterday, that is on 8th December 2021. Already I have released a video on Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and many stocks. And in commodity, almost in all like crude oil, copper, natural gas, nickel, gold, silver, and all. So Maruti, I will show you what was the performance yesterday. So you all know, just go to trading.com and include the stock whichever you want to trade in your watch list and add our indicator. So now in the morning what you have to do, and before I continue, and if you are new to our YouTube channel and watching our video for the first time, please subscribe and then watch, and don't forget to give a like button. It means a lot for us, and we will be moving on to provide more strategies, that is paid strategy, for free once we reach 1000 subscribers as we had promised while we start our YouTube channel. Before achieving our 1000 subscriber also, we had released 2 to 3 strategies for free. Okay, now coming back to our today's video. So come here and just give reset settings. Okay, you can keep in any time frame between 1 minute to 15 minutes. So I'm keeping in 15 minutes. Now what we have to do, we have to wait for the market once it is opened, either to reach the upper side line or the lower side line. Whichever side lines it comes first, that side we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. Don't forget, other side we have to ignore. You should not trade in other side. If buy activated, that day you should be in buy. If sell activated, you should be in a sell for a safe trader. If you are an aggressive trader, you want to trade again and again, you want to capture all the movements of the market, then we have the option in the indicator itself. For the safe trader and for the small trader and for the consistent profit makers, only one trade per day. If SL hit, reverse entry. If SL not hit and target hit, no further entry. That's all. Hope it is clear. So now what happened in the morning, market has opened and it has reached the downside, and our buy entry was at 7180 and the low made was 7173.75. Okay, so exactly our buy got activated. Now tell me what you have to do. Yes, you are correct. Since buy activated, we have to enable first buy targets, first buy sell, then we have to remove first sell, second buy, also second sell. Now everything we have got it. So now see what is the beauty of our indicator. Once our entry has been triggered, immediately our first target achieved, second target achieved, third target also achieved. Market still going upside only. Now how to see the maximum movement? Okay, come here. In the target, you can see we have given normal targets. That also breached, all targets achieved. Then big targets. That also all targets achieved. Then select big two targets. See here. Big two targets, almost third target has been achieved. Their target was 7550 and the high made 7515. For 55% of the, almost 60% of the third target has been achieved. Now what is the profit? From 7180 to 7515. Almost 600 to 700 points we have got the profit. So this not only in the spot value of the Maruti Suzuki, this is the, see I'm showing features. If you are trading in features, you will get very good profit. And if you are trading in spot also same thing have happened. See here, no changes. Spot also same thing has happened. Stop loss is very small. Okay, only 30 points stop loss, but target is more than 600 points target. So you see the risk reward ratio, right? So this is how we have to trade. So in Maruti also yesterday we have got profit. Almost in all the script yesterday whatever we traded, everything we have got the profit. If any doubts, please contact us at 9500009154. And once again, we are telling we are not having any other franchisee. If any other people calling from any other number saying that they are from MST School of Trading, please immediately call us at this number and confirm. Okay, we have not given any franchisee to any people. Okay, thank you all for having watched the video. Please do not forget to subscribe and give a like button and share our videos to all your trading friends so that they will stop losing from the market. They will earn from the market. They should they should not lose anything in the market. They should always make the profit at least overall in a month. One day loss will come, another day profit should come. Okay, and another importantly, when you are trading in as per our indicator, don't change the script. So if you see our Telegram group, we have been continuously posting the chart of the same script. Crude oil means crude oil, Maruti means Maruti, Bank Nifty means Bank Nifty. We have selected few scripts and we are trading only in that script. We are not changing again and again. If we are changing one day Maruti, tomorrow Tata, and day after tomorrow Geo or Lens, no, that will not come. If you are trading in selected scripts, trade in selected scripts always, so that consistently will get a profit. Okay, that is the important thing. And another option also we have given, use this Heikenhashi calculation. And if you see this Heikenhashi calculation, see here what is the perfection level. 7154.85 is our entry and low made 7151.10. So it is giving more accuracy in the Heikenhashi calculation. Heikenhashi, the name we have used, but calculation is different. Okay, so in spot value we have there was shortage of 2 points. The low made 73 and the entry was 69. So 4 points there is a shortage. So you can keep an eye on both this calculation and the normal calculation. The normal calculation exactly by got activated. And another important, there is a break action candlestick formed here. It shows indication of the bullish. Okay, and immediately you have got the red candle also. When this has happened, there is a higher confirmation that market has to reverse from this low to a new high. So hope it is clear. Thank you all. I wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.